Are you looking for the best sawhorses in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sawhorses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WORX WX65 clamping sawhorse pair. These lightweight plastic sawhorses from WORX are each equipped with a trigger handle bar clamp to hold onto whatever you're working on, being one of the main selling points of the item. We expected them to be a useful feature. To our dismay, they were quite weak, and the plastic broke easily. One actually bent just from trying to clamp it down all the way, with a folded depth of just 2.5 inches. You can easily store these sawhorses when they're not in use. With a capacity of 1,000 pounds together, they ought to be able to hold up to sustained use. In truth, the plastic is quite thin, making the entire unit flimsy. While they may be fine for holding stationary items, we don't recommend using them for more intense work with higher pressure demands, such as for making cuts with a power saw. Despite the obvious drawbacks, this is actually one of the higher priced sawhorses. Up next in the 4th place is the Bora Portamate PM3300T steel folding sawhorse. Simple but only moderately strong. The Bora Portamate steel folding sawhorses didn't perform as well as we'd hoped. They're reasonably priced compared to the competition though, which is what drew us to them in the first place. Plus, they're protected by a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind we didn't get from other sawhorses. But there were some notable flaws with the Portamate sawhorses. First, they aren't very strong, especially for solid steel. Each sawhorse can only support 500 pounds. Worse, you're stuck at just a single height since these aren't height adjustable. It's nice that they come fully assembled and ready to work, but they lack the flexibility and robustness that we like to see on our sawhorses. The 3rd product on our list is the Metabo portable folding sawhorses, weighing just 11 pounds per pair and folding almost completely flat. The Metabo HTP portable folding sawhorses are some of the lightest and easiest to transport sawhorses we've seen. If that were the only metric for ranking these sawhorses, then the Metabo sawhorses would top the list. At such a low weight, you might expect these to be weak and flimsy. Well, they weren't flimsy, but they certainly didn't feel as stable as some of the more stout sawhorses we've used. Still, they have a rated capacity of 1,200 pounds for the pair, which is pretty decent, if not as strong as some that we've seen. Included with these sawhorses are 4 sawbucks. You can use these to attach a 2x4 to the top of each sawhorse, lying flat. We found this most useful as a way to add additional height to these sawhorses since they aren't adjustable. Second on our list is the Bora Portamate Speedhorse Sawhorse 2-pack. If you're a worker who's always on the move, you need tools that work like you do, quickly. That's the idea behind the Bora Portamate Speedhorse sawhorses. They're meant to set up quickly and pack up just as fast, allowing you to get started or get out in record time. They succeeded in this endeavor, setting up in just a few seconds thanks to the quick release technology. These were the strongest sawhorses that we tested, capable of supporting up to 1,500 pounds apiece for a 3,000 pound total capacity for the pair. That's impressive. But they sacrificed versatility to manage it since these sawhorses are not height adjustable. On the ends of each sawhorse are deep notches that will hold a 2x4 lying vertically, so you can create a job site table out of these sawhorses with a few pieces of wood. It's a nice feature, but not enough to justify the extravagant price tag, especially when you consider that they're fixed at one height that can't be changed. Finally, the top product on our list is the WORX Pegasus portable sawhorse. The more ways a tool can be used, the better it is in our book. That's why we love the WORX Pegasus portable sawhorse. It's more than just a mere sawhorse, though it is definitely that. It has fold-out supports that transform it from an ordinary sawhorse into a workbench, taking things another step further. There are 2 clamps built right into the top of the bench. They'll grab whatever material you're working with, holding on with a firm grip and not letting go. It's like having another pair of hands while working, which we probably don't have to tell you is incredibly useful. You might think that something this versatile would be weak, but you'd be wrong. This single sawhorse workbench can hold up to 1,000 pounds. However, it weighs a mere 30 pounds, so you can easily carry it around without difficulty. Plus, it folds flat, making it even easier to carry and to store as well. At the bottom of the table are tabs to hold a power strip that can be very useful in certain situations. We just wish that the height of this tool were adjustable to maximize its usability. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.